I don't want to touch it. Because I'm gonna get a living hell.
Opening up Pandora's box.
Yeah, no.
I like What?
Hi, it's Jim Pagans with another unboxing with my beloved brother Andy.
Hey, hey.
This time we're going for a custom made piece from a friend of mine on the Elm-Studios. Bought on a convention, sci-fi convention, when they had a table with his stuff and all that. And I fell for it straight up right away when I saw it. It's from an old classic horror movie, one of my favorites. When I saw it, I said, oh, okay, how much? I like his custom-made stuff, to be honest. They're really, really good.
Very good artist.
There we go. Damn. There's a lot of weight in it.
There's a lot of weight?
Yeah, I feel. So it's not a flimsy, shitty stuff.
No.
It's really, really... Oh, I like it.
And it's the puzzle box from Hellraiser. We got one piece from Bjorn, Elm-Studios, in the 3D canvas paint.
Yeah, I like that one too, a lot.
Painting.
I really love this one. It's heavy. Love the cloth with a box on it. The display, really, really cool.
Nice little display sign.
Yeah. It's really, I like the weight. Weight is quality. You could think that he wouldn't care to make that part since it's underneath, but yeah, he did that too.
Yeah, it's like, it doesn't matter where you look, the details are there.
I don't want to touch it. Because I'm gonna get a living hell.
Opening up Pandora's box.
Yeah, no. I would love to have his life-size bust. The pinhead life-size bust. Right behind this piece.
That'd be awesome.
That would be awesome. The Shatterer, his Shatterer life-size bust. It's beautiful. I've seen it, and yeah.
Oh, we said Elm-Studios. It's Elm-Studios.
The Elm-Studios.
Yeah.
That's what
It says Elm-Studios here.
Who said that?
Both of us. Sorry, Bjorn.
Elm-Studios.
Yeah. Put up a link here.
With his wife. It's a beautiful place. Pretty sure. With beautiful pieces. Sucking up now.
Yeah.
No, it's really, really good pieces. Okay, I'm buying Gizmo from you. I'm buying Gizmo. Okay, this is an order from you. If you see it.
He's placing an order through the video.
Yeah. I want Gizmo in the Barbie car. Thank you. So, until next time. Hi and goodbye.
Hi and goodbye.